This time on Float On.
Olli time!
Ollie, Ollie, Ollie!
Oi, oi, oi!
We just got the keys for Ollie.
Let's go see our boy. We're going on an Ollie hunt. Well, I'm on. Come on, then.
Oh, for crying out loud. It's unlocked.
Doesn't seem very unlocked.
Did we get to go on it?
No, we didn't get to go on it, no. Because the keys, well, the keys worked, it's just that the hatch on the companionway got stuck. We couldn't get inside. So that was a bit of a disaster and Amy got really grumpy. Ooh.
Yes, she did.
We're supposed to pay the balance on Ollie today. We haven't got all the money.
Oops.
But it's alright. It's alright, we've got till Friday. Because today is payment day, we've also seen the bill of sale with our names on it.
Terrifying.
Which is terrifying.
Let's go Ollie shopping.
Let's go find some pretty shit.
Pretty. No. Oh, have you seen that skillet? Do we need a skillet?
Negatory on the skillet.
Okay then. Amy says yes.
Ollie purchased number one.
One or two, guys. One or two. One or two. Yum, rat-ta-ta-ta. One or two. Two.
Yes.
What we getting?
Getting us a money tree. This fella. He's coming home with me.
How we doing?
Not great.
But now, cushions.
The hatch is open.
The hatch is open.
Hatch is open.
And we're in. Welcome to Ollie. Let's just dump all our shit down. So we stripped Ollie. So the cleanup begins.
just got the confirmation through from James that he's got all the funds. So this boat belongs to us now. So no need for a for sale sign, is there?
I don't think so, no. Go on then.
Not for sale, bro!
No sign! No sign! You're at the helm!
Here we go.
Holy shit!
I've got a headache and get a migraine. With just stress.
Along on my very own yacht. We're doing a short motor sail today from Portimao. Just nipping along the coast to Lagos. We are where we are currently staying. Should be there in about an hour's time, I think. Insane.
So Martin, would you like to tell us what the spray hood is for? Might have something to do with why we're so bloody drenched right now. Because apparently putting the spray hood up is a waste of time this morning.
There were just bare things to do.
Anyway, we're nearly at Lagos. Just there. We're coming for you.
One of these days we'll either be sailing into this harbour or sailing out of it on our yacht.
Where's Olli?
What a day.
First major cock up.
I'm too tired to remember. Come on.
Put the engine in neutral before trying to go reverse and it wouldn't work.
At least we knew how to put the engine on.
Yeah.
Winning.
Nearly drove the feckin' boat into the travel lift. Not great.
And the marina walls, or in the sea walls. Captain Martin over there told me, little Miss Skipper, I needed to put all the fenders out in preparation. So I was running around the deck like a blue horsefly, And then off we went. We got drenched. We parked up real nicely at the office and checked in. And then we scraped the side of him coming off. Because we don't know how to sail.
Practice, practice, practice.
We thought buying a yacht was a good idea.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe.
Help us make more videos like this by joining our Patreon family.